Welcome! In this video I will be showing you how to install WhatsApp on your PC. To begin, open your preferred web browser. For me, it's Google Chrome. So, head over to whatsapp.com/download. It will be linked in the video description. Once you're on this page, click the download button in the top right corner. This will download the WhatsApp installer for Windows. Head over to the place you downloaded the installer and double click on it. This will now start downloading the app. Once the app is installed on your PC and started up, click the Get Started button. This will show the instructions on how to link WhatsApp to your PC. So, on your mobile device, click the 3 points and click Linked Devices. While here, click on the button Link a Device. Now we will scan the QR code on our PC. Now you can use WhatsApp on your PC. Thanks for watching.